Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to switch the colorblind mode in Dying Light the Beast. As the first step we have to open the settings, so press the O button on your keyboard or move your mouse over here and open options. Now choose accessibility settings, and on the bottom we have a colorblind mode. We can choose a none or choose from the available ones. If you have colorblind issues, then you should definitely change this option to make your game easier for you and better and visible. So that would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye.